Hello, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Sony Playstation 4. So let's just lift up the box and cut the tab. There we go. Just turn it around. And then we lift this tab. And here we have what's underneath the box. So let's just undo the tab here. Lift that up, and here we are greeted with the main box contents. Just here we have the PlayStation 4 remote. Just take it out. And I must say it feels a lot better than the PS3 remote, a lot more ergonomically designed for your hand. And just here we have the quick start guide and some product information and warranty info. So let's just pull this tab up here, and in here you're greeted with all your cables. So you have HDMI cable, your standard figure of 8 power thing, and the power supply unit is actually built into the console, unlike the Xbox One. You have your mono headset here that you plug into the bottom of the remote, and you have your charging cable for the PS4 remote. And then here onto the main part of the box. Just move this out of the way. And here we have the PS4 itself. Let's just take it out of its packaging. Ollie. Then at the back we have, I'll take the aux port, the Ethernet port, HDMI port, and optical audio port, and the power supply. And on the front you have your disc tray and two USB 3.0 ports. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.